Okay, the barge is going out.
Because we're going to be like this. This is how we're going to be.
There's stuff going off everywhere.
I wish they'd shoot like right there. That'd be good.
So there's one way over there. Oh yeah, I see that blue neon boat you're talking about. That's cool. All right.
I'm like over there.
10 on the nose. Come on, Chip. Flip the switch. We are just waiting. But soon it's gonna be the Lori Show.
Happy 4th.
Plus 2 is?
What is it?
4.
Oh, you're so
2 plus 2 is 4? Really?
Wow. What's 3 plus 3? What about 1 plus 1?
2.
Yeah, you're so smart.
Okay, the show has begun. Now they're like little actual fireworks. They're getting bigger every time. Oh, now they're getting bigger and taller. I gotta go way up there. Uh-oh. Oh.
Look at that. Whoa. And the other one.
I know. Wow.
How do you make one of those come out of fire? Oh, look at this.
Well, look at that searchlight there, Dan. Looks like your million candle power one. These are strobe ones.
I have my own.
No doubt. And this is just the appetizer. Oh, might be getting near the...
That's the big one?
No big ones.
That's the finale one?
I don't know if this is the finale ones yet.
No,
No, these are all gold. I miss the big colorful ones. That was gold. I like the blue and gold ones and the silver and red ones. I can't get this whole thing in my screen. Alright, here's some colorful ones. Oh, that's all right. What? I can't hear you. It's too loud. Alright, we gotta save some time for this big event. Oh, as soon as I go on, they shut it off. Alright, what's that? Now more of the no color one. Oh, where'd it go?
Oh.
Still going, huh?
Whoa!
Whoa! Those are
I
pretty.
made the Santa Love logo.
See how long it takes for these to go up? Right. I can't focus on these for some reason. So we got some there. Oh, those stop.
This is the Santa Love.
Oh, we got these guys.
See that light right there? The light turns off.
Oh, that's right above my head.
Blinking light.
Alright, this might well be the finale here, no?
It's not over.
Whoa, it lights up the whole sky.
That was
Alright,
big.
there's a third one from the Parge. Oh, that was little by comparison. Where is he? I missed him.
Hey,
Whoa!
look how
Yes?
big these ones are. Look how
One
big
more.
these ones
Holy smokes.
are. Look how big these ones are. Look how big these ones
Yeah, they're humongous.
are. That big. This big.
You got 8-inch.
Looks like
Whoa!
fly.
Last year the biggest tubes were 6-inch. These are 8-inch, so they're almost twice as much powder in them.
It was like
Yeah.
and when you're just sitting down,
Whoa!
yeah, when you look at it, it looks this big, but it's not stuff.
Oh.
Look at it. That one's gonna be small.
How did you know?
That one's gonna be.
No, a good guess the first time. That one sounds big.
She's 8.
Oh, it just went higher.
That one's
Alright, where is he?
Oh, okay.
That one's gonna be big.
See the light.
Nope. You missed one. Ginormous.
Oh, I'm not getting this one.
How dare you?
Cool.
This is so cool. It spread them out across the water. Come on, where are they? There they go. Woo! Somebody's having a grand finale somewhere.
Oh, the green ones.
What are they gonna do? Just sit there, or they can start popping?
Last year they popped up too.
Yeah.
These are good finales. These are finales. They look like. I know. Oh,
There they go. Oh no, that's just the new one. Oh!
yeah, that definitely did come from over there.
Whoa!
That's gonna be
Big.
big.
Uh,
Huge. Wow. No,
what happened to all the nice trails now? Zoom in.
that was huge. Huge. It's like big. Big.
There's one with trails.
Huge. Say big, not huge. I just like saying huge.
Lay down.
Oh, there's another one.
Hey! Missed that one.
Yeah, I said it could have went out.
Yeah, no doubt.
Gonna do some of the fancy ones now. It's a crackler.
If I make fireworks, make light. Make lights. Now it looks like light.
Ooh, a little. looks like a tree.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, where'd this one go? He's way up there somewhere.
Oh no.
One more. Oh, you want to do another one of those floaters? No? I always get the same ones.
I love the wine ones. They're actually pretty.
There's a red, white, and blue.
You know, pretty. First I thought they were like teal.
Yeah, I don't see that one.
Teal. That looked kind of teal.
Every time I turn it on, I get the stupid white ones. And then they stop again. Uh-oh, here comes some. Here's more than one. Oh, I think I broke my lens. Ah, I can feel that. I can feel that in my belly. Oh, there we go.
I love those ones. But dude, it's in our eyes like this. I don't know how many left.
Yeah, it's always wearing that too. The fish are like this.
It's moving like fire
Now it-
right on water.
I know what they feel like because we feel the water change.
Where'd the boat go?
That's it. The barge just left.
We bought a paddle. Ours is like.
Was that the end? Really?
Is there any more?
If I talk anymore, I'll like lose my voice.
Well, that could have been a grand finale, but
So pretty.
Nobody's grand finale to me.
Oh,
yeah, it'd be hard to. Over. There, he finally got the horn going. Woo! All right. And the dark.
the fireworks
You
are not
can't
over.
see anybody except the palm trees.